What's up, folks? How's it going? This is Abhijit here, and welcome to Devops Challenger. And today's interview question is: what is the difference between how do you what are the difference between security group and network ACL? So we have already discussed about security group, network ACLs several times in different contexts in previous playlists. So you already know what is security group and what is network ACL. But I thought let's have a separate question for this because this is one of the interview questions. So let's have a look at this. This is the VPC. This whole green one is the VPC, and here we have two subnets. And this network ACL is for the whole subnet, right? Like you have like company campus, right? Or your apartment campus, there is a gated community. So in the main gate, there is a security. Main gate, there is a security. So before going to individual house, main gate security will check where do you want to go, right? And then you will enter. After entering, when you go to the individual house, then you have to knock on the door. There is another level of security. That door is locked, itself, right? That is a second level of security. So security group is similar to that. That it's attached to the instance, each instance. And network ACL is like a main gate security kind of thing. It's applied for the whole this subnetwork. It can be private subnet, it can be public subnet, whatever it is, but it's applied to the whole uh, subnet. And we have this root table router and all these things are there in this network. So let's have a look at it. So security group, it's at instance level, and network ACLs, it's at subnet level. So security groups are attached directly to Elastic Network Interface (ANI), which are associated with EC2 instance. Network ACLs, network access control list, are applied to subnet level, meaning they affect all the resources within the subnet. Affect all resources within that subnet. Allow rules only, rule type. It will have only allow rule. Means I can allow traffic. You can only define what traffic is allowed. All other traffic is implicitly denied. Everything is blocked. You can say 80 is port 80 is allowed, port 8080 is allowed, port 21 is allowed. Means all these three are allowed, but the rest everything is blocked by default, denied. But here you can explicitly define both allow and deny. You can say 80 is allowed, but 21 not allowed. So you can allow deny rules are there explicitly define both allow and deny, giving more granular control. You have granular control. You have stateful, stateless. Stateful. This is a stateful. Security group is a stateful. Means response traffic is automatically allowed. Like if your inbound rule allows traffic, then response is automatically allowed out. So if it can come in, it can also go out. If the traffic can come in, it can also go out. Request and response, right? So it is automatically it can automatically go out. But this one, NACL, Network Access Control List, it is evaluated separately for inbound and outbound connection. Return traffic must be explicitly allowed with a separate rule. Like if it is coming, once you are allowed, that doesn't mean you will be able to go out, right? So it's like a NACL. Once you are allowed, it doesn't mean you will be able to go out. So that's why it's a stateless. But this is stateful. Security group is a stateful. NACL is a stateless. Return traffic automatically allowed. Automatically you are allowed to return. Same whatever I discussed, and it should be explicitly allowed. So you have to explicitly say that you are allow it to go out. It has to be explicitly allowed at NACL, Network Access Control List. So it has more control, like allowed in a explicitly have to allow the return traffic, etc. So to this let's go to the quiz section. So only one quiz today. How do security groups and NACL differ in AWS? So what will be the answer? Security group are applied at subnet level. No, network is applied. No. Security group supports both allow deny rules, while network ACL supports only allow rules. No. Security groups are stateful, while network ACLs are stateless. So this is the right answer. Security group are stateful means if it is allowed, then automatically it's allowed to go out. Return is automatically allowed. So it's a stateful, and this is stateless. Both has to be Both have to be explicitly allowed. So this is a stateless. Network ACL is a stateless. So answer is C. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and comment on my YouTube channel. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my DevOps Challenge Hub page. I organize quiz contest daily, every day, and you can participate in that. And also follow my WhatsApp channel. I post updates regularly. Thank you for watching this video, and see you again in the next video.